So, can you give me a brief on your activities and initiatives as far as 2014 is concerned?
Yeah. So as we mentioned last year, in 2014, our main plan was to launch EMT Academy. We're not looking into EMT Academy as a business unit really. I mean, we're trying to help our channel partners to actually improve their knowledge in IT and IT security area. So fortunately, we were able to launch this business unit or this entity as we promised in Q1 2014. That was biggest steps for us to take. And with that, we signed actually with Kaspersky Lab as the training center for the GCC region, for the Middle East region. Okay. In addition to that, we actually promised to our channel partner we will launch the new partner program. So we already launched that partner program, which is called EMT Magnitudes, okay. And which fortunately also won an award from Channel Award a few months ago. And in addition to that was adding new products.
Okay. You've been conducting training sessions across the region. How has the response been so far from your channel partners, and what are the inputs from them?
Yeah, we have received great feedback from partners. One was because we offered for our partners all these trainings for free, so they did not see this as an additional investment for the career. Another thing was they actually found out that the quality of training is much more higher from previous training. We have always, in all training, we have feedback forms and everything filled by the attendees, and we have received a great feedback. Moreover, the company's managers also, they are pushing now more the employees, the engineers to go and attend these trainings, which helps them to satisfy their customer more and more.
Okay. Are you going to conduct these trainings across other regions as well, other markets?
Yes, because we have anyway limitation in resource and in the region, so what we have done now, we launched our online portal, so all reseller channel partner, they can actually go to our website, and then they can go to the training section, and we have also online training. So for whoever cannot come over to Dubai, or we don't have, let's say, very soon upcoming training in there, they can actually go and attend this training. However, we have done these trainings, a few of these trainings in Qatar, in Oman, in Kuwait, and our future plan is also Saudi, Bahrain, and other countries in the region.
Okay. Coming back to vendors, have you tied up with any new vendors recently? And,
yes, we always monitor good vendors that mainly do not have presence in this region. Okay. So yes, we signed with Alienwald recently. Alienwald is one of the top 5 SIEM solution provider worldwide. We signed with Galaxy document and email encryption. Again, they're a very innovative company based out of UK. Okay. And of course, we have planned to sign with more products again in the coming months. Yeah, most of our solutions are enterprise solutions, so it's not easy to take steps on recruiting channel in the region. However, yes, we have signed with few channel partners in the region, companies that are dedicated to those sort of solutions. And then we are looking to expand our reach to another region as well, and appointing more partners for sure.
Okay. You said the new channel partners already put into action. How has the response been so far? Have you already started onboarding channel partners and giving them accreditations, like maybe the levels of partnership?
Yes. So in EMT Magnitude, the partner program, which we name it actually this way, we have different levels. So we have, as like others, we have silver, gold, platinum. We have enterprise partner as well. So we are actually focusing, because we have two sort of business units. One is SME business unit, and the other one is enterprise business unit. So we have different type of partner in each area. That's why we have silver, gold, platinum, and then we have enterprise partners. In some region, we have also the sub-distribution model, where we do not have enough resources in that country, and then we, based on the culture of that country, we try to basically have a local guy who will help the reseller channel partners locally there. The response so far was very good. We have selected few partners as a gold partner and platinum, and few as enterprise, and then we have many silver partner as well.
Okay. For the levels of partnership, what kind of criteria do you follow?
Yeah. So there is an initial requirement. So any partner who starts with us, mainly they have to start with the silver status. Okay. Unless they have existing business with us, or if it is, for example, hardware business, there is an initial order requirement, a technical engineer, webinars, sales certification, and so on.
Okay.
So, but the benefits are different for sure.
Okay.
We have set different benefits for each level. And the good thing is we are not actually looking into these levels as a company only point of view. We just see the salespeople, technical people, and we have different things to reward them as well in this partner program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The requirements of technology, especially security, endpoint security, or maybe corporate security, is changing a little bit because of the new threats that are coming into place. What kind of role is EMT playing when it works with its channel partners? Because the consultative approach that used to be previously used by channel partners might not be relevant now.
That's right.
So how does EMT look at the consultative approach and make sure that it's upgraded as and when the technology is also
That's
upgraded?
right. Yeah, so we internally we have a campaign so-called Ready for the Future. Actually, we are trying to update our channel partner regarding the future trends and threats, which is also going to affect this market as well. That's why we have some webinar for our channel partners. We don't just look into it as a marketing activity or as some sort of business activity that we want to have them to buy this product from us and so on. We're talking about technology in those webinars. So in these webinars, we're telling them, listen, you're focusing now in certain area, which is like cash business for you today, or even the profit is shrinking down. But we're telling you tomorrow is going to be this shape, right? So you need to be ready for that. And what is this? What is inside this tomorrow with this future is basically new technology, new trends, and blah, blah, blah. So they actually understand if they have to really switch over or they have to create this business unit to prepare themselves for the future. Because this side needs a lot of investment in terms of resources. And the sales cycle is actually very high there. So that's why many people are not accepting. We're trying to make them accept to be ready for the future.
Okay, okay. Looking at the Middle East as a region, have you started identifying markets wherein you're not directly present, or maybe the solutions that you provide right now, or maybe the brands that you work with are not available? Are you looking at those markets as well?
Yes, we have. First of all, we have to plan, and our strategy is based on our products. For example, if we have many of our products were exclusive distributors, so we can define the strategy along with the vendor itself. But imagine, for example, one product is very unique product, and we cannot spend all our time in every country. So that's why I mentioned earlier in our partner program, we have sub-distribution model. So in some countries, for example, when we see the local presence is very important for a few of our products, so we have our own sub-distributor. Okay. Which is acting as like EMT is there. We did it in Saudi, for example. We did it in Egypt as of now. So we are continuing identifying, at least for different products, to do so.
Okay, okay.